Okay guys, I finally saved up enough money to get my counter, put a plug in it, and I found out that you can no longer have a plug in your counter due to electrical code. So it's okay if I run an extension cord all the way over from here, but I can't run it from my counter to this top. I found myself a cordless mixer. This is one of the Nether brands. We're going to turn it off for a minute. We want to make sure we turn it off before we put in our beaters. Then we're going to put in our beaters and we're going to hear what this thing sounds like. Now we're going to turn it back on. And it lights up when it's on. Let's hear what it sounds like. But the question is, does this have what it takes to make anything? To find out, we are going to make a 4, 3, 2, 1 cake. Okay, so we are going to put our machine in here. We're going to turn on that button. Then we're going to Okay, one major complaint I have already, you can't really grip this. It's very slick. Wow.
Well, do you not like it?
I'm struggling to like it, that's all.
Well,
Abruptly stops, and then we're going to find the power button, which is on the wrong side. Make sure that's turned off. What? What are you laughing at?
you power button on the wrong side.
In the end, it made a nice cake, and I think a lot of people would be happy with this mixer. Maybe I am too picky, but I did not feel safe using it. Because the handle was so slick and it was not designed well, I couldn't get a good grip on it without putting my hand precariously close to the beaters. It just didn't feel comfortable, and at times it was slipping and I almost actually caught my hand in it. No thank you. Now perhaps you won't have this problem because you don't have mobility issues like I do. But if you have trouble with mobility in your hands, especially something like arthritis, you may want to look for a different model. I really don't intend to do any reviews in the future, but I thought it would be interesting for you to see this one. I hope you enjoyed our time together. I sure did. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy baking.